Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a head gasket on a Toyota Camry. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a torque wrench and a full socket set. Begin by safely draining the engine's coolant and disconnecting the negative terminal of your battery for safety. Next, carefully remove any components that are blocking your access to the cylinder head, such as the intake manifold and exhaust manifold. This preparation is crucial for a smooth repair process. Now, let's move on to disassembling the engine's top end. Gently remove the valve cover, then carefully take out the camshafts, keeping track of their orientation. Next, using the correct sequence, loosen and remove the cylinder head bolts. Once all bolts are out, carefully lift the cylinder head off the engine block. It's important to inspect the head for any signs of warpage or damage at this stage. With the old gasket removed, it's time for installation. First, meticulously clean all mating surfaces on both the engine block and the cylinder head. This step is vital for a leak-free seal. Carefully place the new head gasket onto the engine block, ensuring it's correctly aligned. Then, lower the cylinder head back into position. Install new head bolts and torque them down precisely according to the manufacturer's specifications, following the correct pattern. To finish up, reassemble all the components you removed earlier, connecting all hoses and electrical connectors. Refill the cooling system with the correct type and amount of coolant, then bleed any air from the system. Start the engine and carefully check for any leaks. After a successful leak check, take your Camry for a short test drive to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.